So in this video, you'll learn how to add a media page to your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So all you need to do is just open the settings app, and then scroll and select home screen. Under home screen, look for add media page to home screen and tap on the toggle next to it to turn it on. You can even customize what service is going to give you this media page. By default, it's set to Google Discover, but when you tap on it, you can even choose to use Samsung Free if it's available. And so once you've done that, you'll now notice when you go to the home screen and you swipe right, you'll see the media page has been returned successfully onto your device. Alternatively, if you want to restore the media page on your phone, you can always choose to just navigate to the home screen editor. So in the home screen editor, once you long press on your empty space, you'll notice at the very end on the left hand side, you'll see this Google Discover page faded out. So in order for you to restore it, just tap on the toggle at the top like that, and then it will be taken back to its default setting. So it will be restored. Once you've done that, all you need to do is just go back to the home screen, and when you swipe, you'll see the Google Discover page has been restored successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.